So this vlog is going to be a weird one because I've just had some baby corn snakes hatch out, and I was documenting that, and that ended up being like 5 minutes in itself. So there's a few little bits that I'm going to update you in the start of the video, and then everything sort of after that is just corn snake baby, how I set it up, and then one almost leaving the egg, but it is the cutest thing in the world, so you need to see that, so wait until the end to see that. But yeah, I think the next few vlogs are going to be very baby animal orientated, because I've had obviously the gargoyles come out, got some cresties that are due, the corns are hatching out, so yeah, keep an eye on that, and you can get all cutesy with me and the baby corns. So yeah, enjoy. Morning. So I, as in classic Joe style, I am creating all of these will be geckos. So you've got the Urodactyloides velarde, she's in there. There's another Urodactyloides in there. Another Urodactyloides in there. I'm going to be moving the Chlamyrae day geckos in there. I think they're currently in that one. And then I've got some of the name has left me. Hang on. No, it's gone. The peacock day geckos. There we go, got there eventually. So I'll move them in here. So this is all just going to be like the small gecko species. And yeah, I just need to get all the lights on, redo a few of the enclosures, and we cooking. Just some hog intervals. This is Biscotti, boyfriend of Panya. They're getting along well, sort of, now. But yeah, everyone likes the hog interval, so hog interval. So this is one of said geckos. I've just given them some food. These are the neon day geckos, or Phelsuma chlamyrae. I found them to be really friendly. Oh, there's one of them now. Really friendly for a day gecko. And it's going to be a real struggle. Come on, buddy. There we go. These guys are quite possibly the friendliest day geckos I've ever had the fortune of having here. If you follow the Facebook page, you'll see I've posted a few pictures of me holding them. At the moment, they've just woken up, so they're going to be a bit sort of dazed and confused, so I'll leave them to it. But yeah, I'm trying them out on the dragon fruit Blue Rivers diet, so we'll see how they like that. I need to get a couple more branches in there, and order some more suction cups so that the fruit bowls can sit up higher. But yeah, so that's one of them done. I'm working on all the others at the moment, I think. So there's this one as well. Looks like overnight the food has been taken. So this is one of the Urodactyloides velarde, which there she is, just there. So these are the chameleon geckos, or shifties as my friend calls them, because they sort of, as they move, they sort of shift and they look all suspicious and shifty. So just another 1, 2, 3, 4 to do, and that'll be the day geckos done. So I have just had a baby corn finally leave the egg, so I'm now transporting them into this little box. So I've got a tiny little hide, lots of foliage, and a water bowl. This is just so I can keep an eye on them on their first shed, get them fed, and then hopefully start then separating them out. So let's get, it's just the one at the moment. Hey, let's try and get you out. Come on, tiny little bean. So this looks to be a little tiny anery. So yeah, still a bit slimy and sticky from hatching out. But hi, oh my god. Oh, look at you. You're ridiculous. Welcome to the world. so sweet. So this is just this one that's hatched out so far. Although saying it, there is a few, almost like a reddy hue there. You good? Oh my goodness. So, let's pop you in here. There you go. Off you go. So, yeah, still a bit eggy. So, there's another two that have breached the egg. So, essentially what happens is the babies are born with this tiny little tooth basically on the end of their nose. And what they do is they'll cut a little slit into the egg, and then when they're ready, they'll come out and they will drop that little egg tooth. So yeah, this is one of hopefully another two will leave today. I can sort of see them poking their head out. But that's yeah, one down. 1, 2, 3, 4 to go. Oh, this one's saying hello to the world. Let me see if I can just move the camera real quick. Hey, if I pick up the egg, are you gonna... Maybe? Let me just show you it anyway. So, in here, there is a tiny little baby corn snake. So all these slits are basically cut with that egg tooth that I mentioned. And inside here is a little tiny corn baby. There's the yolk. Yuck. So this one is going to be... Oh. Oh my God. Hey. Are you ready to come out? Are you ready? Oh my goodness. This is incredible. You're very pretty. Are you ready to come out yet? I know. It's a scary world, hey. Well, are you going to retreat back in? You need another few more hours before you come out? Yeah? Yeah? You good? Yeah, we'll put you back until you're ready to come out. Unless because you're like up in the air? No. Okay, we'll put this one back for now. And I'm going to go wash my hands. But yeah, so that's essentially what happens. They poke their little head out, and then they out they come. And the other one that's breaching at the moment is a little bit shyer. But again, so this one looks to be more like a normal. Hey buddy. And this is the previous egg. So they just did one slit, and then yeah, just crawled their way out. Okay. So yeah, essentially they'll all go in this, and then I'll spend a few days keeping an eye on them, waiting for their first sheds, and then separate them out. Then I'll try and feed them once they're all separated, just because obviously you don't want one to eat faster than the other one wants that food, and you just end up with a little bickering. But is that gonna... No. So yeah. That's adorable. Okay, let's pop you back. Yeah, I've had a lot of... oh, no, he's coming out. Yeah, no, they're ready to come out. They're just making sure it's secure, so I'll pop that back on the... Sorry, I just dropped the camera. So yeah, we've had a few things hatch out. Obviously the baby gargoyles as well. So that's good. I'll keep an eye on these little babies, and yeah, I'll keep you updated, probably next vlog with an update on the babycorns if you want to follow them and see how they're getting on. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Just want to say thanks for everyone that's been watching the vlogs, commenting and leaving likes and things. It's really, really appreciated. And yeah, thank you very much. One of the feedbacks that I got was I ended it very abruptly. It was like something, 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 nothing. So consider this, sorry, the Berber skinks are wanting to come out. So this is me leaving like a end video end, everyone's awake because it's feeding time, a video end on, yeah. So again, thank you again for all the nice words and likes, and subscribe if you haven't already, leave a like if you haven't already, and comment more about what you want to see, as I'm trying to compile a list of things, but being a shop I can't always do exactly what people want straight away, like the red eye crocodile skins, for example. I had something else come in that I'll do a video on next time, that I end up using that enclosure for. Yeah, awesome. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.